Welcome to the Solax Instructional Installation video series. We will guide you through the installation and commissioning of Solax X-PID-BOX. Before the installation, please note the following conditions are met. The temperature should not be lower than -25 degrees and not higher than 45 degrees. The X-PID-BOX has IP66 protection level and the altitude should not be higher than 4,000 meters. Please prepare the following tools. Open the package and check the materials and accessories according to the following list. Strip the cable by wire stripper. Use a crimping tool to squish the terminal. Insert the wire into the waterproof cover. Plug L/N/PE cable into the corresponding terminals. Tighten the screws. Retighten the waterproof cover. Before the installation, please select PID recovery voltage. Remove the top cover and disconnect the LED cable. Select PID recovery voltage according to the user manual. After choosing the PID recovery voltage, please remember reconnect the LED cable and tighten the screws. Mark the length with a marker. Drill holes and screw the PID-BOX on. In this video we use Solax stand as an example. Remove the AC cover and connect the AC terminals. Once the connection is done, there will be a sound of click. Connect the PV negative terminal and the other end to the negative terminal of the last string of the inverter. If the inverter has no extra PV input port, please purchase the Y-branch connector from Solax. Connect the communication cable. Please make sure X-PID-BOX pin 4 is correctly and securely connected to inverter COM pin 7 and pin 5 is correctly and securely connected to pin 8. For more details, please refer to the user manual. After the connection is done, please do not forget to enable the anti-PID function in the settings. Enter the checks interface. Enable the anti-PID function. If your inverter has no screen, you can also set it in your phone. The setting path is the same.